So I have a fun unboxing today. This is some Happy Mail that I received from New Craft Day, and what they had contacted me wanted to know if I would pick out a few items from their shop and let them send it to me to show you all. And so I was excited because I love all types of crafting, not just paper crafting. I love paper crafting, but I love to incorporate other styles of crafting into paper crafting. So I'll have to see if there's a way I can incorporate these items into my paper crafting, but I thought it would be fun to try them. So I've gone ahead and opened the package, but I haven't opened the actual items. So let's pull the items out. And so I picked out 3 items from them, and I'm excited to try them. So their shop offers diamond craft kits, cross-stitch kits, and paint by numbers. I think it's some paint by number kits as well. So I chose some diamond craft kits as well as some cross-stitch kits. So the first thing that I chose, I thought this would be fun either as a cosmetic bag or a ephemera bag. I really think I'll be using it for an ephemera bag. So I hadn't opened it yet. This is the first time really seeing it, but it's supposed to be a little bag. Okay, I see now. So you get all your stuff in here to decorate it up. You get your little crystals and things, and then you have your little tray. And I have done a diamond craft kit before from other places, and so you use this little I forgot what you call it, like little jelly stuff, sticky stuff, and you attach it to the end here, and then that way you can pick up your jewels and attach them. And so then this comes with a plastic piece over it, and so it's sticky so that your jewels will stick. So I'm gonna leave that over there for now until I start it. But I thought this would be a cute little bag to put my ephemera in, or some sort of craft supplies, even maybe my pencils or my color pencils or something like that. So I'm excited to try that. And so you get everything in this kit to complete your bag. So that's neat. And so this one, I asked my son what he liked, my youngest one. He's the one who sits behind me while I am filming. He sits at the desk behind me. And so I asked him, would he like to pick out something as well to work on? Since it is the winter months and, oh, I can't get it open. Since it is the winter months and he has to stay inside a lot, I thought this might be a fun little thing for him to do. And so for these, they did inform me before they came that the diamond craft kits come in a bag like this. They won't come in a box because it is coming from overseas. And so when it comes that long of a distance, the box could get destroyed or messed up. And so they said they find this is the safest way to ship their kits, which is fine with me because I'm just going to put the packaging in the trash, so I don't need a box with mine. And like if you were buying these as gifts for someone, you would just have to keep that in mind so that you could put it in something as a gift. But for myself, I don't mind not having a box because it's less packaging. And actually this little envelope I think would make a cute thing in a junk journal. I already got an idea for it, so I may have to hold on to that. I guess my son will probably use it for now to put it back in when he's not working on it, but when he gets done with it, I think I'm gonna have to use that for my junk journal. So he picked out his, and it's really cute. But you have to remember he's 13, and so he picked out something he wanted for his own room. And so he picked out these little kittens. It's kind of a Titanic theme, if you remember the Titanic movie, which he has never seen the Titanic movie, but he's always heard about it. And because it was something popular before he was born. And so these little kittens were cute. So he wanted to do this one with the kittens. And so it also comes with all the little dots that you need, as well as your tray. And I wish I knew what this was called, because you can tell I'm really new at this, but the little sticky stuff you need at the end of your little pin to attach the dots. And so he's been really excited. He's been asking me to go ahead and do this opening so that he can get started on his kit. So when he gets further along with it or finishes it, I'll come back and show it to you guys one day so that you can see what it looks like once all the dots are put on it. I'm sure you've seen these dot kits out and about, because I have done one a couple of winters ago, and then I know that my niece one of my nieces, she really got into them for a while, and I bought her a couple of little kits for Christmas one year. Well, I'm going to have to leave that out for now, and I'll let him put it back together. And so then the next thing I picked out, I didn't want to get all diamond dots. I wanted to get a variety, and paint by numbers really not my thing, so I hadn't tried that yet. Maybe I will one day, but I decided I used to love to cross stitch. And so I thought, well, why? And I did pick this out before I broke my finger. So I do like to cross stitch years ago, and I thought this might be fun to do this winter while sitting around. Let me find my scissors. I'm going to open it up. And I do like the packaging of this. Let's just see here, because I could put everything back in here when oh, I cut it and didn't need to. That's okay. That's all right. We'll just finish cutting it. So it did open up. I thought it was sealed shut, but that's all right. No big deal. So here we go. So here is the kit, and what I thought would be nice about this one, you have the instructions too. Let me just pull it all out. So what I thought would be nice about this one is that the cross-stitch kits I did in the past, you just had to count them, but this one has everything printed on here, so you can just go ahead and do your cross-stitch on here. So I wonder how it's going to look. I wonder if when you're cross-stitching, it will cover all these colors up. I hope so. I'm going to have to try it and see. But this is something I won't be doing on camera because it will take a while to do, but I thought that would be cute. And it does, you know, it will be this Christmas scene when I get done, this winter Christmas scene. So the reason I got this one was because I know it'll take me all year probably to work on it. So I thought, why not get something that was for the holidays so that I could have it completed in time for the holidays. And so it also comes with your chart of what colors to put where. And if you've never done a cross stitch before, so here's your colors. Excuse me, and then the numbers that match up with it, but also here are your threads, and they come, I've never had one come with threads like this. I've always just had the threads put together. I am clumsy today. So here you have with your threads, and they're attached to these numbers here. Oh, it also comes with your needle, so you have everything you need to get started on your kit. So it's really, you don't have to buy anything else. The only thing else I would say you would need would be the hoop. You would need a hoop, but I have several of those here, so that would be okay. But those you can get fairly inexpensive, and they do have some accessories on their website, so they even may have the hoops, but I didn't need one because I have those. So I'm excited to try this. I think that I'll work on this one more. I know it's kind of strange because it's a winter theme, but this will probably be something I work on in the summer because I like to have something like this to do while sitting on my swing on the back porch on those beautiful spring, summer days. And I am so looking forward to being able to sit on my back porch again. It's been so cold and messy that I haven't got to in a while. So I'm looking forward to working on this, which I may sit by the fire in the evenings with the gas logs, and we turn those on some evenings when it's cool. And so I may do that. I'm not sure what was in this. Oh, the pocketbook. And I may do that and work on it some. And if so, I'll show it to you from time to time so you can see how it's coming along. So that is, I should have cut the top of that. I've run this package. That's okay. It's just packaging, right? So that is the 3 items I did pick out. And so, oops. So this one is the one that I want to get started on first. So I thought I would show you, in case you have not ever did the diamond crafts, I thought I would show you how it works. And the thing of it is, with this one, I did the big sheet ones, kind of like the ones my son picked out. I did one like that in the past, and you have to sit at a table to do this one. But this one, you actually probably could get you a little cart, like a little thing tray, and you could sit in your recliner or on the couch and work on this while you watch TV. So let me see here. Which the smaller one, like he picked out, you could too. The one I've done before was kind of larger and I had to sit at the dining room table to do it, or my craft table. But I sat at the dining room table so I could be with my son because he was working on one then. So let's just take a look here, and you and I can learn together because I've never done one from this company, a kit from this company. So each company has a different little way of packaging. So this one is number 1. So I would go through and put these dots on all the number 1s. So what if we just do some of the number 1s? I won't do them all with you, but I'll just do a couple just to show you how it works. And then, so you're going to have a piece of plastic on this little gummy stuff. I cannot think of the name of it. Didn't even read the instructions. It probably tells. And so then you're going to take your little pin here, and you're just going to scrunch it down in there and pick up some of that sticky stuff. And I don't know if I did or not. I'm trying to see. For this one, let me take it off the back side too. Let me do both sides. And then just stick it down in there. Yeah, so see, you left a little circle, you know you got it. And you got some in here. And so then we'll take our little dots, number 1. I'll just start with actually I probably should, because of the sticky, I probably should start with the outer one. So let's start with number 5. I wasn't thinking it through. So let's start with number 5 so that, like I said, this is not a tutorial. I'm just learning along with you and just trying to give you an idea of how to use this kit. So since number 5 is the outer of the sticky, I'm going to start with that so that I don't keep sticking my hand to it and get the sticky off. So I'll start with the outer and work towards the center. Are you supposed to do it that way? I don't know. So if any of you have done these diamond crafts before, let me know, because I really don't know the set rules for it. I just kind of do my own thing, everything I go to do. So here we'll go. We'll just take, and I picked up one of the little dots, and then I'm just going to attach it to the circle that says 5, since this is number 5. So I know it's hard to see what I'm doing on camera, but I'm just putting these little dots on the circles with that number. So this is number 5, so I am just, you could pull this off all the way, but I don't, because I like to rest my hand on it, and I don't want to pull, rub all the sticky off while I'm working on it. So I'm sure there are more proper ways to do this, but this is just how I do them. And, oops, I don't think I picked one up. That's the only thing, is you have to really look and see these little things. So you're trying to cover the numbers up so that you get the colors on there. And so these are a lot of fun. And then sometimes your sticky will wear off, that you, when we went into this little hole, this little jelly stuff, so you'll have to get a little bit more added to your little pen. And that's no problem though. If you just start noticing that it's not picking up your jewels, then you'll want to get you some more sticky onto your pen. But for now, mine is, and I'm just making sure that I'm covering the 5s, and they are kind of small, so I'm having to make sure with my glasses, the way I look down, that it's a 5 and not a 3. And see, sometimes I think I picked up a jewel and I didn't. Maybe I do need a little bit more sticky added to it. Let's see here. So I'm going to see if I can get a bunch more sticky added to it, because it is not picking up. And I know it's nothing to do with the thing. I'm pretty sure it's to do with the user, me. There we go. Now I've got it. So now let's just add more dots. And so we just keep doing that all the way around our number 5s, and then we'll move on to the next color. Well, I just wanted you to check out these kits that I got, and I was excited to receive them, and I wanted you to see them as well, because I know that if you're a crafter like me, you like all types of crafts and trying different things, especially things like these that doesn't take a lot of learning how to do. This is something very simple that you can sit down and figure out in just a few minutes and work on. So I love things like that, because this is also something that's very relaxing. So it hasn't taken long, and I've already went up the edge of this butterfly, and I have to tell you that this is very addictive. I'm really enjoying it. So I hope that you have enjoyed seeing these new products that I got, and hopefully you have been introduced to something new today, like I was. I didn't even know they made little bags like this. Like I said, I did the one with a big picture, but I didn't know what to do with the picture. And so I was excited to see that there's bags. There's all kinds of things that you can, that has these diamond crafts on them. I think they're on their site, they had the bags, and then they had stickers, and I think they even had tote bags. So I didn't try the tote bag yet, but I thought the small bag was a good start, because it's a lot more diamonds than I thought it was going to be on it. So I'm glad that I did go with something small. So I hope that you have enjoyed seeing these new products, and they did want me to tell you, New Craft Day wanted me to let you know that they are having a sale right now. So right now you can get 10% off, and it's code NewCraftDay10, and I'll put that in my description below. So I'll put that in the description so you can just copy and paste it at checkout on their website. I will link to their website. I'll put the coupon code, and they also are having a deal. If you spend $50, you can get 2 free products. I don't know if you get 2 free products. I don't think you pick them out. I think that they send you 2 free products. So I have no idea what they are, because I haven't tried that yet. And their store currently has free shipping of items. When you order $50 or more, you get free shipping. So that is the sales that they currently have. So I'm sure their sales change, their code changes. I don't have a date for when the code NewCraftDay10 expires. So if I do get that, I will update the description. But for now, he was just telling me that you can use that to get 10% off. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye.